If you have a special occasion that you need a fancy dessert for, this panna cotta is the perfect recipe for you. Let me show you how to make it. To make the panna cotta, add in 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk to a saucepan without the heat on. Add in 2 teaspoons of flavorless grass-fed gelatin over the top and let it sit for 3 or 4 minutes or until the gelatin has softened. Turn the heat on to a simmer for about 3 minutes and whisk until the gelatin has dissolved. Whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream, a half a cup of sweetener, and continue to simmer for 5 minutes. Turn the heat off and whisk in 1/3 cup of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk until it's well combined and then remove from the heat and pour it through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a smooth consistency. Transfer the mixture to your serving glasses. Here I'm using a martini glass, a glass weck jar, and a ramekin, which I'll later invert onto a plate. Chill it in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours or until it's fully set. Overnight actually works best. Hi guys, I'm Julianne with Keto Cooking Christian, and you saw how easy that was to make. Only took a handful of ingredients and about 10 minutes to prepare. The hardest part is waiting for it to set overnight, but if you have a special occasion coming up, an anniversary or a birthday or even the holidays, you can prepare in advance, and then the day of, you don't have to worry about doing anything except garnishing it, and then you can serve it. And there's a few different ways that you can serve it. I happen to like it with the raspberry. It's the holidays are coming up here, and it's got beautiful Christmas colors. So my garnish of choice is raspberry sauce, and I have a separate video on how to make that sauce. I'll link it down below for you, but you can serve this with chocolate sauce, salted caramel sauce. You can make, you can just put fresh berries. You can make a chocolate panna cotta if you want, or coconut. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. You can do espresso, which is really nice, especially in this little martini. It would be espresso martini panna cotta. But this is how I like to serve it. And I for this recipe, I strain the seeds out so that it would be nice and smooth. And as you can see, just looks a little nicer, but that's just my preference. You make it however you like, and let's dig in and give this a taste. I love the consistency of it. It's really kind of thick, creamy. Kind of a cross between, if you've never had it before, kind of a cross between a pudding and a custard, but it's a little more dense. It's so good. And it does have a little coconut flavor because, as you saw, I used part coconut milk and part heavy cream. I think it just freshens it up. It just gives it a nice texture, and it's not heavy at all. So if you have a nice hearty meal that you're serving it with, and again, you can, this is kind of the standard where you invert it onto a dish, and then you put your garnish. You can use my favorite little weck jars that I'm obsessed with. This is also the little martini glass, or smaller glasses is ideal to serve it in. And if you have quite a few people, you can serve in these little shot glasses, and they're really cute. And everyone gets their own little portion. Again, easy to make, quick, and impressive. I think people will think that you went to a lot of trouble, but you saw it's no trouble at all. Super quick and easy, and absolutely delicious. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you make any other flavors of it, or any put your own spin on it, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.